A couple of showers possible through 7 and 8. We have the Perseid meteor shower. It's peaking the next few nights, so you may see a few shooting stars. Late evening and overnight, best bet is to get away from city lights. The beach is a good place to be, and look directly overhead. You don't need binoculars. We are looking at a clearing sky, so it should be nice weather later this evening for that. Temperatures getting into the 70s everywhere for overnight lows, very similar to what we saw last night. And we have another round of storms moving in for tomorrow. The morning, just like today, will be drier than the afternoon. And here comes that line, 3 p.m. 2 and 3 working in from the lake toward the coastline, and the model is very aggressive in bringing some strong storms around. We have some localized flooding today, and we could see some tomorrow in the afternoon and early evening. Keep that in mind as the storms line up along the coast once again for Sunday and for Monday afternoon. More stormy weather. The tropics, nice and quiet, not expecting any tropical storm or hurricane development, and a little unusual considering that as we get into mid-August, we start to see things usually heat up in the tropics, usually after about August 15th. Okay, storms tomorrow afternoon, and this weather pattern is going to be around through at least the middle of next week. There's high pressure that builds in around the surface, but it doesn't have much of an impact, even into Wednesday and Thursday. Boating conditions, perfect today before the storms, and similar tomorrow. Seas about 1 to 2. 77 overnight, clearing sky, very humid, and watch out for a few meteors. You may see them late tonight. 92 tomorrow with morning sunshine, and afternoon strong storms along the coast. And the 7-day forecast similar Monday and Tuesday. A little bit of a decrease in the storms for later in the week, but not much.